Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace engine air filter on Hyundai Elantra generation 2011 to 2016. Stay with us guys, we have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. So if you need a video, probably it will be made on the channel. Please subscribe guys for future videos. Also, more electrical videos and how to diagnose codes will be uploaded on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. So give a subscribe guys, we're trying to grow it. So let's start on it and show you how to replace the filter now. So in order to replace the engine air filter, we need to open the hood of the vehicle. It's not very complicated procedure at all, and I'll recommend doing it every 20-30,000 miles so you can improve the fuel economy of your vehicle. So as you can see, this is the air filter box right here. You have two clips, one here, one over there. Those clips, you just open them like that, okay? Then you need to slide it this way, okay, and pull it up. Now this guys, right there, is the engine air filter out of the car. You can see that's how we remove it. So let's see if ours has some dust and stuff coming off of it. It's not as bad as we thought it would be. It's mostly highway miles, not driven on dirt roads or anything like that, but you still have some leaves, insects, you can see it trapped all the way inside, so it's definitely good to replace those. Once you get the new filter, you need to see the position that you place it. It goes only one certain way, drop it there. Now let me show you on this side what you need to do. Okay, those things, you need to slide them underneath. You have one here, one on this side. And after that, you close the clips. And this is the whole procedure about replacing air filter on Hyundai Elantra guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.